Bitcoin is topping the charts and is the conversation at every local dinner table. Reaching new heights, it seems like it finally might be the runaway train we all dream of. Say goodbye to the 4-hour work week and hello to the 4-second work week. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how my $3,400 investment is performing that I invested way back in March of 2020. And I'm also going to show you a free tool that I found to calculate unrealized Bitcoin gains. So if that sounds helpful, go ahead and let the algorithm know by hitting the like button. While you're doing that, I'll be sure to add a link to the free tool in the description. But why should you listen or believe anything that I have to say? A random guy on YouTube. Well, you don't have to, but here is my track record so far. I've been investing in stocks and index funds for over 15 years and investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for over 10. I have personally invested in and advised a range of startups that are all the way from pre-seed to Series B in funding. I co-founded an 8-figure social media business. I'm not a financial advisor and I have nothing to sell you. I'm just trying to provide as much value as possible for your time. So if that sounds like a fair trade, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get as much value as possible from the next video. In March of 2020, the economy was in shambles and there were a lot of unknowns causing the stock market and crypto market to take massive hits. At that time, I had about $3,400 sitting in my Robinhood account while I was looking for a good investment. I had another $5,000 to $7,000 that I'm not accounting for here, but you'll get the general idea from the video. Being the savvy investor that I am, I decided to do a loose daily/weekly dollar cost averaging. At the time, one Bitcoin was valued at about $6,000. So let me show you the free tool from Forbes that helps you look at estimated or unrealized gains from Bitcoin. What you're looking at here is a Bitcoin profit calculator, where you put in the coin, in this case BTC, Bitcoin. The buying price at the time was about $6,000, just less, and currently Bitcoin's trading for over $67,000. It's actually trading quite higher than that, but for the purpose of this video, I put it at $67,000. The initial investment, as mentioned previously, was just about $3,400. There's no investment fee on Robinhood, but there is a small exit fee. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's pretty small. So in this case, I'll put $10, but even if it was $100, I think you'd get the point. After you push calculate, you get an investment summary. So what you're looking at here, in case you cannot believe your eyes, as I can't, Bitcoin is up over 1,000%, causing a profit of $35,000. So my total initial investment of $3,400 would exit today just under 40 grand. So back to my dollar cost averaging strategy. Instead of gambling on Bitcoin, I invested in Ford, Disney, DIA, QQQ, Starbucks, and more Disney. And in my other portfolios where I have another $5,000 to $7,000, I invested just like this. Overall, these investments are way up. And since I've sold Disney and Starbucks, but they aren't up even close to how much they could or would have been up had I bet all of this money on Bitcoin. If I would have really gone for it and gambled all $10,000 on Bitcoin, I'd be sitting in a brand new white Tesla, white leather seats like all other YouTubers handing out $100 bills to homeless people. I mean, $100,000 is a nice down payment on a house, or I could just have that Tesla. Now that doesn't mean I didn't invest in Bitcoin at all, and this video isn't just clickbait. I bought more Bitcoin a few years ago, representing most of my Bitcoin portfolio, and I just sold off 50% of that for a really nice gain. I share my thoughts in another video that I'll link here. You can check out that video, but the reason why I sold 50% of it in short, so I can hedge against the volatility known as Bitcoin with 50%, while I let the other 50% ride the wave and hope it just keeps growing. As always, this is just the start of the conversation. How high do you think Bitcoin will go? Let me know in the comments down below. And thanks for watching.